So how you can block someone on Snapchat quickly? So for doing so, you first of all have to open up your Snapchat app and tap on your inbox section where you get all the chats of the persons you interact with. So after opening your inbox, you have to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. So tap on the three dots, and the second last option in this list I get is manage friendships. So tap on manage friendships, and now you have to find the person you want to block. For example, under H I want to block Hibbo. So let's block this lady. Here tap on her name and again tap on her profile picture or name here. Now if I want to block this lady or this person, you have to tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and again you have to tap manage friendship. Tap on manage friendship, and the second option you get in this list is block. So tap on block, and if you confirm this pop-up, this person will always be blocked and will never be able to contact you again from this profile. So that's how you block a person from the friendships menu. And if the person you want to block is directly here on this screen, you can directly tap and hold on the name of the person, and the second option you get in this list is manage friendship, and you can directly block him or her from this list as well. So that's how you can block someone on Snapchat. See you in the next video.